Hard Productions.
This is the Diet Coke Inventor's Experiment.
Alright, let's begin.
Did it start yet?
Yes. Alright.
This is not gonna be good.
Let's see. Come closer. Alright.
Oh shit.
What are you doing? No, it's mine. Look at this. It's awful. Hey, I'll drop another one and drop another one. Get away. Hurry up. Get away. What the heck is that?
No, you're gonna drink it.
Then let's go. Hurry up. It's almost all done. Woo. Come on. Go. Go. Come on. What is this crap?
I'm not doing it anymore.
No. Darn it. What are you doing?
Take it, see what happens. That's not.
That's crap. That's crap right there. Oh my god, look at your step. Alright, I'm done.